it's been announced that that guy right there, Ryder Defrancesco, has signed with TLD Gas Racing for 2024 and beyond. And along with it came probably one of the funniest slash, you know, quirky, I guess you'd kind of call it, introduction videos. If you haven't seen it, look it up on YouTube, and it's kind of funny. And if you watch, there's a little clip at the very beginning where the van hits a trash can, and there's some green plastics that fly out of it. You know, little shade here and there. But as an 18-year-old, being probably one of the best up and coming talents in the younger class of riders we have right now, this will be his rookie 250 SX campaign. Obviously, last year he rode futures and a couple outdoors. So this would be our first real look at how he's going to do in the big boy class. Is he going to hold up to his, amateur status and look how fast he was? And you never know with people when they go from an amateur to the professional league, quote unquote, or the professional rounds, how they're going to hold up. But he is obviously a big name, fast as an amateur, and you hope that he does well because along with him, Deegan, all the younger guys that are coming up, Lawrence's, you gotta pack the younger crowd back in. It's like the baseball thing. You gotta have the amateurs to bring, or fill the 250s, I guess would be a better way of saying it. If you don't have that, then you don't have really anything for the future, and who knows? I hope he does well. Obviously, I like Gas. I think it's funny. It's kind of like the Red Bull quote unquote F1 team, where it's a little less serious, a little more fun, and with Mosman and Barsha, I think somebody else too. Brown too. So it's kind of gonna be fun. Let's see how he does. Obviously, you think he would have stayed on the Cowie, but who knows what happened there to move to a different team altogether, especially never actually racing for them professionally, but the whole time as an amateur. But I hope he does well. Apparently, as far as I'm reading, we don't know what coast he's going to be racing yet, but that's not really that big of a deal. I'd like to see him as A1 just because why not? But comments below, you tell me. How well do you think he's going to do? Have you watched the video of his introduction? What did you think of it if you did? I don't know, whatever. Tell me whatever you think about anything. In the comments below, just go down there. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.